Welcome to Glasgow West End Student Accommodation, where luxurious student living meets the vibrant heart of Glasgow. Step into a luxurious student life with a selection of ensuite and studio apartments, adorned with homely furnishings. From the inviting embrace of a spacious bed to the ample storage of a generous wardrobe, dedicated study station, and modern ensuite bathrooms, every detail is crafted to elevate your student experience. But wait, there's more. Satisfy your cravings and stock up on essentials at the on-site cafe and grocery store, dive into cinematic bliss at the state-of-the-art cinema room, or keep up with your fitness goals at our modern on-site gym. Plus, get ready for a social extravaganza with the full events program, because who says living can't be a constant celebration? Situated a short distance from the University of Glasgow and Glasgow International College, this accommodation is a favored choice among students. On tired days, treat yourself to takeout from La Raza Glasgow or Ashoka Finiston, or grab a revitalizing cup of coffee from Grain and Grind or Ronzio Coffee House on your way to college. And for weekend getaways, hop on a bus from Arbow Street and explore the wonders of the Manchester Museum. Step into your dream life in Glasgow with Glasgow West End Student Accommodation. Head over at amberstudent.com and book your stay today.